So the next thing that you're going to do is this geometry construction. If you go onto our D2L, you are going to find right at the very top here, this geometric construction. Go ahead and download this file. You click on it just as a quick reminder. You click on download here, and then when it pops up down below, you'll click on this file down below here. So pull that up, and I have written a few notes on my copy. You don't have the same notes, but this you will do on your own. It's starting on page 3-6 in your book, and I've already drawn out some of these items here, and it walks you through how to create, for example, a perpendicular line and bisect it by moving it to the midpoint. We've done that already. One that we really haven't done is bisecting the angle, and I wanted to show you how you could use that. If you go under this draw tool, this little caret here, and you pull down, there's a construction line command, and you click on that, and at the bottom this pops up. Go to bisect. And then it wants to know the vertex point, so you click on B, and then we're going to click A and C, and take a look. It puts it right in the middle for us. So hit escape. I thought that was pretty cool. It's going to go throughout your whole drawing. Don't worry one bit about that. The transferring of an angle one can be a little tricky, but it gives you those walkthrough points completely on here, so you'll be able to copy and move it over and rotate it as you need to. Dividing the line, we've used divide before, and it does not tell us what number to put it in. In the book it tells you to divide it into 5. So you'll use your divide command, remember, to type it in, or you may be able to find it on the ribbon toolbar. Your circle through 3 points, kind of a cool thing. Under your circle command, we have a 3-point command, and you'll click on that, and then A, B, and C. And then for our line tangent to the circle, use your line command, start it at A, and again, you can come up here to your tangent snap and click right onto it. Kind of a nifty thing. And the last one is given a radius of 3, create a circle tangent to 2 lines. Again, kind of cool, tan radius. It doesn't have to be arcs that we're being tangent to. So you go to that, you click on each of your lines, and then you type in your number. And so when you're done with this, you'll upload this one into the D2L, and we'll be done with that. And then the last thing on our list that we have for homework is the gasket design tutorial, which is on page 322. It does walk you through it. This goes back to our regular inches. So as you are looking at this, how I would start this, remember to start in regular ACAD. So ACAD.DWT, not ACAD ISO. When you are starting this, make sure that you don't click this little plus sign here. That plus sign will probably start you in metric. So go back to the start and go to ACAD, plain old regular ACAD. Not sure if you picked the right one. Remember to come down to format, go to units, and check. Right there it says inches. So if I were going to start this drawing, one of the things that I probably would do, I always like starting with my center points. So I would start probably with where my circle is, and this circle lines up with this top line here. I probably will start with drawing my outside shape, and then I would probably convert it into a polyline, a P line, by typing in P edit. You click on it. Do you want to turn it into one? Yes. And then hit enter and select all the lines to join them together. And then I would offset it to the inside by that 0.5. See that TYP there? TYP means typical. It means that all of these thicknesses all the way around are 0.5. So once I've offset it to the inside, then I'll come in and I'll use my fillet command to do this. So once I go to fillet, remember you have to go all the way to the bottom right away, click on radius, change the radius to 0.5, and then click those two lines, and then you should be good to go. You don't have to put any of these dimensions in for me, and the book does a pretty good job of walking you through. I would say that there's a part right here where it gets a little confusing. You can see over here they got this little extra piece of line sticking out. So either draw it according to what you see here, or you can follow the guides in here. As long as the end product looks exactly like this, you're okay. And of course, upload that to the D2L. Feel free to contact me with your questions, email me. And if you're still not getting something, let me know and maybe we can do a Zoom call.